Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Welcome everybody, let's investigate what has happened during the previous trading session on the euro currency and what we see currently on the chart of euro currency, and start as usual from the daily time frame. Well, on the daily time frame, as we said, probably the market will show some continuation to the upside, and our crucial level, in other words, very significant level for this in the nearest term is right here, 140.50, 141.20 areas right here, because this Fib resistance, I do not have it on this chart, but if you have read our weekly research, you know that this is also the Fib resistance. Also see that this is the monthly pivot resistance 1. This is also the previous lows. If you will scroll a bit chart to the left side, you will see that this is the significant previous lows and classical support resistance level. Well, also that is the ABC target from that pattern. A, B, C bottom, 618 target stands right here, 141.17. But for us, the crucial level by the close of October is right here, 140.38. This is the break-even point on the monthly chart of euro currency. So if market by the end of the close in October, by the close of October will show the price above this level, then it could lead market to the 150 area. It's very significant for us, but it's a bit extended talk currently. Let's focus on the nearest term perspectives. Well, we said that since market hasn't been able to trigger this pattern to the downside, shows some indecision price action, some consolidation above that high, then probably it will continue move to the upside. So that is happening now. But now let's take a look at this indicator. This is the MACD histogram. Well, and you can see that the next top of this trend is lower than the first one. Well, this is not the divergence, since if you will draw the simple MACD, you will not see any divergence here. This is, we could say that this is the momentum indicator, that measures the strength of the thrust of the market. So when the MACD histogram shows next extreme is lower than on the market, it tells us that probably the momentum becomes weaker. The upside momentum becomes weaker, and this could be the first bell of the potential reversal. This doesn't tell us that market should reverse right from that area, but it just warns us that the momentum of the market becomes weak, upside momentum, and when it will reach some significant area of resistance, it could show at least some significant retracement to the downside. So something like that you could see right here. Although trend was bearish right here, you could see that this was the real strong momentum. With that bottom momentum quite shallow, and here you already could see even lower momentum. So you can see this decreasing of momentum strength by the MACD histogram, while the market shows new bottoms, and right here market show reversal. So this could happen again. I can't say for definitely that this will be just a reversal to the downside, although it could, but that some retracement will come right from that area, and probably it's very high probability. So that's particularly what we had discussed even on the previous week. We said that this area is really strong area of resistance, and we should watch for the sell signals for the short-term perspective from that area, since if when market will touch this area, it should show some respect to it by retracement, at least during the first touch. That is our expectation on the daily time frames in the nearest term. On the 4-hour time frame, we see the same hour butterfly. Trend is ready to turn bullish again on the MACD on the 4-hour time frame. Yesterday we said that this price action tells that probably market will try to continue move to the upside. At least it should take out these highs. So that has happened. But we also said that probably market should reach 127 extension. Well, as usual, market was really cunning, and although it grabs the stops just above these highs and realize the target that was determined by MACD predictor indicator, by this dynamic pressure. It hasn't quite reached the 127 extension and then shows significant retracement. You know due to what news this retracement has happened, but later to reverse back and hit the 127 extension. Well, that is price action tells us that probably market could accelerate further to the 1618 extension. It's right here, 140.66 is right inside the area of daily resistance. Okay. On the hourly time frame, we see another butterfly that is forming currently with that retracement. This is the left wing of the butterfly. This is the right wing. The 127 extension of that butterfly stands right here at 140.18. The 1618 stays right here, 140.80. It's very close to the 1618 target of the large butterfly. Also, take a look at that pattern. A, B, C bottom. Market accelerates from the 618 right to the 100% extensions right here. Okay, and has hit the 127 extension of this larger butterfly on the 4-hour time frame. Well, probably in the nearest hours market could show some retracement to that FIB support, or ultimately to that hourly confidence support 139.10, 139.16. But market should not erase this thrust to the upside. If market will break this confidence or moves down, this will tell us that probably hardly market will continue to the 1618, since this is not very good price action for the bulls and for the butterfly that is forming on the 4-hour time frame. I suppose that market should show some shallow retracement. At least maximum retracement could be as far as 139 areas right here. After that, market, if it's really intends to continue move to the upside, should reverse to the upside. It's better if market will show just 139.40 retracements right here, since market noted over bottom on the daily time frames now. Just hitting with the 127 extension could lead to some retracement, but later market should returns and continue move to the upside. The 1618 target of that move stands right here, 140.59. It's around 140.66 target of the 4-hour butterfly. So you can see this area 140.50, 149, 41.20 is just fulfilled by different targets, pivot points, resistances, or in general this is a really strong area of resistance. Well, I think that market should continue to move to that area. Probably it could reach it during the today trading session. Besides, today the gross domestic product released for the third quarter, so it could be a really volatile day. Well, how to act depending on your view on the market. If you are bearish, I suppose that it's better to you to avoid some significant retracement from the current levels if market doesn't want to continue move to the upside and show some really strong plunge on the market from this 127 target of the butterfly, then probably could try to search for the possibility to enter short. The safest way is to wait till that area and search for the sell signals on the intraday charts in that area. Sorry. Well, if you are bullish, you could try to search for buy signals around this area, since if market will break it to the downside, then move to the upside will be under questions, will be not so obvious. So if market will hold here or here, then probably we could say that it will continue move to the upside. That is current view on situation, but again, today is the significant data release, so be careful and watch the clear patterns. Better to check your entry context again and again before pull the trigger.